Hi everyone, this is Atif Khan, and today I am starting this series where I'm going to show you the most asked interview questions. Basically, if you're preparing for front-end developer role, so you can follow this along. So I'm starting with this first question where you can see that I need to find the second maximum number from this given array. As you can see, 34 is the second maximum number. So what we are going to do, we are going to loop through the array and we are going to do is two checks. First is we are going to find the maximum number, that's the maximum number. And second, what check we are going to do is we are going to check if the number is greater than the second max but it is smaller than the maximum number. So in this way we are going to easily able to find the second maximum number. So before doing that we need to have these two variables, that is the max, and set it to negative infinity so to avoid any issues. Now second is, now we need a second number and that is to be negative infinity. Now next thing which you need to do is to loop to that array. As I told you that we need to check whether the number is the, basically we need to compare for find the maximum number. So we're going to check if the number is greater than max, then we are going to replace it with that. So before replacing, we are going to first pass the value which is already existing in the max to the second one, and then passed that to the max value. So what we did here, we are going to check whether the number is greater than the max, and if it is, we are going to replace it with it. Else, if what we are going to do, else we are going to check if the number is less than max and also that number is greater than second. So here we are going to, if this condition is satisfied, then we are going to pass to this second variable and then we can return the second to get them. Say, as you can see, 34 you have written. Now let's say for example we have 42 and let it be like 38. So we are expecting 38 to be written as the second largest number. So as you can see, 38 is written. So this is how we are going to find the second max. So what we did here is, first we are going to find the maximum number here in this case, and then we are also we are going to check if that number is greater than the second but also less than max. So we are making sure that we are going to find the second maximum number. So this way we are basically going to find, here we are passing the max to the second, because if that number which we are looping, if it is greater than max, so we are going to find the max. But what we are going to do to the number which is already in the max, so we are going to pass it to the second. So this way we are always making sure we are going to find the second maximum number.